Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. Let's talk about something that never goes out of style, classic red lips. I've been testing the COVERGIRL Outlast all-day lip color in custom reds, specifically the shade Your Classic Red, and I'm excited to share my thoughts on this one. It promises all-day wear, a moisturizing finish, and a two-step process for long-lasting color. Let's see how it really performs. This lipstick comes as part of a two-step system. First, the rich, pigmented lip color, followed by a shiny red top coat to lock in the shade. The formula is designed to be transfer resistant while keeping your lips moisturized throughout the day. What's also nice is that it's cruelty-free, so you can enjoy your glam guilt-free. In real-world testing, I started by applying the base color. The pigment is vibrant and very true to the red you see in the tube. No surprises there. It glides on smoothly without tugging, which tells me the formula has a good balance of emollients and waxes. Adding the glossy top coat was simple, and it did give that extra shine without making my lips sticky. Throughout the day, I noticed the color stayed put remarkably well, even after coffee, snacks, and some light talking. It's not completely 24-hour proof, as any lipstick will fade slightly after meals, but the longevity is impressive for daily wear. The moisturizing top coat definitely helped with dryness, keeping my lips comfortable and smooth. I have to mention the strengths and weaknesses. Pros: the pigmentation is rich, the color is classic and flattering, the moisturizing top coat works, and the formula is cruelty-free. Cons: the two-step process might feel like an extra step if you're in a hurry, and while it's long-lasting, you'll still need touch-ups after heavier meals. When it comes to value for money, COVERGIRL's Outlast is fairly priced considering its performance. The combination of rich color, transfer resistance, and lip-friendly ingredients makes it a solid investment for anyone who loves a red lip that lasts. Compared to other drugstore longwear lipsticks, this one stands out for its moisture retention. Many long-lasting lipsticks tend to dry out your lips, but this one avoids that pitfall. The packaging is compact and sturdy, perfect for your handbag or travel kit, and the design feels classic yet functional. Longevity-wise, the color remains vibrant throughout the day, and the top coat ensures that the finish doesn't dull quickly. If you're looking for alternatives, Revlon's Super Lustrous Lipstick in Fire and Ice or Maybelline's Superstay Matte Ink in a similar red shade could work, though they may not offer the same moisturizing benefits. In summary, COVERGIRL Outlast All-Day Lip Color in Your Classic Red delivers on its promises: rich, lasting color, a moisturizing finish, and a two-step system that's easy to use once you get the hang of it. It's perfect for those who want a bold, confident lip without worrying about constant touch-ups. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.